There we go. There we go. There we go. Got him. I'm gonna switch to the top water. Let's see if we get a bite on the top. Try to come over here. Get something to eat over here. Drawing a lot of attention to my bait. There is something over here. Let them know. Know it's breakfast time. We'll give this spot a few more casts. If we don't get anything, we'll move on. What you talking about, bro? What you talking about? We'll tell you. Getting a bite on top water is the most satisfying feeling that a fisherman can have inshore, man. Just seeing the fish launch up out the water and smacking your bait, man, I don't know what it is, but it is a great feeling that I hope everybody gets to experience one day. So nothing off of the top water. We're gonna go to paddle tail. I'm just gonna work this side over here. See what's happening, but as you can see, I got these two little boats right here. So if I do find the fish, it's gonna be a challenge pulling them out. I'm gonna cast over there. It could be over there, but probably gonna get broke off. Have a hard time trying to reel them in. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Little baby snook. Oh, that's a trout. Something was out there. All right, y'all, look at that right there. First fish of the morning, baby trout, and he hit that on the top water. Wasn't expecting a trout this morning, but we'll take it. We'll send him back, and we'll keep trying to target these snooks. So we'll send him off on his way. I'll let him go over here. There you go, buddy. Top water, early morning is pretty good. You know, I learned that, and you know, we don't throw a lot of top waters, but as you can see, early in the morning, they're real effective. So let's toss it back out there, see what else we can get on. All right, y'all, first catch of the morning, speckled trout. That was a terrible cast. Speckled trout on the top water. Let's see if we can get another bite, make that happen. I really want a snook. Really want a snook. Come back at the boat ramp again. See if anything wants to eat at the boat ramp. A lot of times the boat ramp will hold fish because they know this is where the bait's at. So they like to come up to the boat ramp for bait. Alright, this is snook feeding all the way out there on the top. So I put a top water back on. don't know if I can get it out there far enough. Oh yeah, right up under the mangroves too. Some mullet over there too. I mean, I can get my lure out there. Get my lure out there. Can I get him to bite this still? That's gonna be the question. Yeah, he's over there. Got him. Got that blue crab. That's a nice size one too. This isn't even my blue crab net, but scooped him up. He came close, and he's coming home, man. Started off the morning snook fishing and ended up catching a blue crab. Not a bad day. It's a nice male blue crab. All right, y'all, so we just finished up fishing here at the last spot. We started off the morning doing a little bit of snook fishing, man. We started off throwing a flare hawk. We threw the bucktail. We threw the topwater. We threw paddle tail. We threw everything at these fish, man. Luckily, we was able to land that one trout, and we got a nice blue crab. That was a little bonus treat for this fishing trip. But hey, man, again, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'm Eddy Scalez. This is Mid-Flow Scalez. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. And hey, by the way, go and check out this video right here if you get a chance. I'll see y'all over there.